tutorial on how to send us a list of specific titles that you want to request for curbside pickup. So go to our main library website, drakelibrary.org, and click on the catalog. Click to go to the catalog here or up here. Once you're in the catalog, you're going to log into your account. That's your library barcode and PIN number. Once you log in, you're going to be able to see your name up here, and that's when you're just going to do your search. You're going to search for whatever it is that you're interested in. Remember that you can always use the facets over here to limit what you see to just the physical items. So I'm going to limit this to books so that it'll weed out the different things that are ebooks and downloadable audiobooks. And then I also am going to limit it because there's lots of books on dragons I see. I want just books that have dragons, that are about dragons in the adult speculative fiction section. So once I've kind of limited my list and I have the kinds of things that I'm interested in, I'm going to go in, I'm going to select the things that I want to add to my list. Once I've got them selected, then I'm just going to come up here and tell it to add those things that I have checked to my list. I can do that as many times as I want. These are all going to be added to a temporary list for our purposes here. You can do other stuff with lists, but we're not going to go into that today. Once you've added all the things that you're interested in, come up to My Lists, and it will show that this is the temporary list of the items that you've sent or that you've saved. From here, you're going to click here to select everything in that list, and then you're going to say select action and email it. You are going to email it to our library general delivery address, which is library@grinnelliowa.gov. Now, this is the most important thing right here. You need to tell us your name in the subject line. If you don't tell us your name here, we have no way to know who these are coming from because it comes from a no reply address in the catalog. So make sure you give us your name in the subject line. That way we know who to send it to. Make sure that email address is correct, library@grinnelliowa.gov, and then click send email. We will receive that. Next time staff are in the building, we will receive it. We'll get those items pulled, and then we will call you to set up a time for you to come and pick them up. It's as easy as that. Take care.